device. 6. The gears convert that slow rotation into powerful rotation. This shows how hydropower can be used to produce clean energy. We use simple and safe materials such as cardboard, LED bulb, wires, DC motor, small gear and big gear, turbine, small motor, water container. All materials are safe and suitable for students to handle. Our model has several benefits. First, it uses renewable energy such as water. Second, it is environmentally friendly. Third, it helps us understand how electricity is generated. Fourth, it can be applied in real life such as dams and small water systems. Fifth, connecting LED bulb in parallel ensure each bulb receives the same voltage. In conclusion, our hydropower model shows how we can use natural resources to produce energy in a safe and sustainable way. We hope our project inspires others to explore renewable energy. Thank you for your attention. We will now demonstrate how our model works. Water flows from the higher level to a lower level. The flowing water turns a turbine. The turbine is connected with a small motor or generator. When the turbine spins, it generates electricity. The electricity is then used to produce power. Example, a light bulb. The gears convert that slow rotation into powerful rotation. This shows how hydropower can be used to produce clean